My friends, today I want to work on exercise 131 in my 200 3D CAD models in FreeCAD series. Exercise 131 looks a very simple object, but from my previous experience, I know that the most common tool, the connect object tool, in features like this, I have used connect object a lot of time, but on this object, I don't think it will work good. So with that, I decided I will go ahead and build this model in a rudimentary way, so to speak. So I'm going to build the outer surface and then build the inner surface and then make one cut to make the whole object. So let's go ahead and build this inner cylinder, which is outside diameter 60. I'm gonna go ahead and make this radius 30. And also the height, let's say the height is 40. Okay, so we got that there. And the next one is to build this red object, this red cylinder. We will build it like a through pipe, and that would be another cylinder which will have outside radius of 15 and the length of 100. Then I'll have to transform it to lay it flat and see if it is flat. It is. And then move it kind of sideways and a little bit upward, just like that. And then refine our movement from the data tab from looking at the values. So right off the bat, this would be 50 because the length is 100 total. And then on the Z, I can see that this height is 20. Okay. And finally, we build this small tiny cylinder, which is 40 millimeter away from the center, from the workspace center. So there will be another cylinder, and that one has a outside radius of 7.5 and then height of 36. And then we move it outside of that hidden area and then move it kind of upward just a little bit, and as again refine those movement. On the Z it would be, so now it says 4.5. I'm thinking it would be 2, so just a little bit upward, and on the X side it would be minus 40. Okay, so everything is in place, pretty cool. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and make all of these one part and make a fusion, and I'm gonna rename that as, say, outside. That kind of like a weird name, but that will do. And then I want to make a copy and paste it, so not clone, not mirroring, copy the whole of it and then paste it. So we have a complete copy of that, and I'm going to go ahead and rename that as inside. Okay, now on the inside one, let's go ahead and change the values for all of these. So this is the big one, this is the small one. Okay, on this one it will have, so the height wise it would be same, but the inside diameter it will have diameter of 10, radius of 5. So here it would be radius 5. Okay, so we can see there is that. And on this one, let's see, this is the longer flat cylinder. So length will be same, the radius will change to 10. All right, we see there is another one, tiny one popping out. And finally the cylinder 3, the inside radius will be 25. So we have outside and inside. I want to make a deduction, and so that would be a boolean cut, and once we do that, we get our object. And in my mind, this is the easiest to build this object. This is the easiest way. There are, like, probably 5 other ways to do that, but going rudimentary is the effective one for this object. Well, I hope you liked this process, and thank you for watching. If you have any comment, question or suggestion, please leave them below in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.